how you can create professional looking graphs directly in Microsoft Word, making your reports and documents stand out. Whether you're a student, professional, or anyone wanting to add some visual flair to your documents, this guide is for you. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Microsoft Word downloaded on your computer. Go to your search bar and type in Word and open your Word application. So after your Word is opened, navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Look for the chart icon. Clicking on charts opens up a dialog box with various chart types such as column, line, pie, bar, and more. I'll be using the column chart. Upon selecting your chart type, Word automatically generates a sample graph and opens an Excel window. Here is where you input the data for your graph. Let's input some example data. Here I'll write number of workers, salary, and etc. Once you've input your data, your Word document will automatically update the chart to reflect your data. Once you've input your data, simply close the Excel window. Your Word document will automatically update the chart to reflect your data. Here, upon clicking on right click, you can see change chart data, edit data, and many more. If you press to edit data, the Excel tab will open. Here on Upper Design, you can see all the designs that you can choose from and all the layouts. And there you have it. You've successfully created a graph in Microsoft Word.